In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text glow in Wix Studio. After successfully logging in into your Wix Studio account and being able to access the dashboard, the first step is to go to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on the drop-down for My Site. Now you just want to make sure that you are on the exact site in which you want to work on, and once that's done, head over to your name, and on the right-hand side, simply click on Edit Site. Now, once you are on your Wix Studio website, the first step is to actually go into the specific text in which you want to glow. Now I have here a text box that has the color yellow. Now, in order for the glow to show, you want to make sure that the background is a bit darker and the text is much lighter. Now, to make this glow effect, what you want to do is click on the text box, and at the bottom, simply click on Edit Text. Now, on the left-hand side, you will actually see a lot of options. However, if you scroll down, you will see the option for effects. If you want to remove the effect, then simply click on the None button. And as you can see, it won't have any effect at all. However, if you want this to glow, then you just want to simply click on the letter F, and it will have a glow effect, as you can see in here. Now, to make the glow a bit better, you just want to make sure that you do have a darker background as well as a lighter color within the text. And that's about it. That's how to make text glow in Wix Studio. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out.